Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this sunflower specs holder which went really viral on our Instagram page. Without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you'll need all these acrylic yarns, 3mm crochet hook and a scissor. Let's start by making a magic ring. You may slow down the video speed to see how I'm actually crocheting the magic ring. Once the magic ring is done, make 2 chain and add 12 double crochet into the magic ring. You may either crochet the same steps along with me, or you can skip the 15 seconds to see what to do after making 12 double crochet into the magic ring. Now pull the thread of this magic ring and slip stitch into the chain which we have made at the first step. Now again make 2 chain and add 2 double crochet into each stitch. This will result in 24 double crochet. Follow this step for the second round. It will look something like this. Once round 2 is also completed, make a slip stitch. Again make 2 chain and add 2 double crochet into the first stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. This will result in 36 stitches in total for this third round. Follow this step all along. After completing the third round, again make slip stitch. Now change the color to light brown and make it like this. Pull the back string and make 2 chain. Add 2 double crochet into the first stitch. Now add 1 double crochet in the second stitch. Again 1 double crochet in the third stitch. Cut the dark brown yarn and continue with the process. We'll have 48 double crochet at the end of this round. When we say we are having 48 double crochet, we are not counting the 2 chain in any of these steps. So now our fourth round is also completed. Make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now make 2 chain. Now in the first stitch make 2 double crochet and second stitch 1 double crochet. Third stitch again 1 double crochet and in the fourth stitch again 1 double crochet. We'll have 60 double crochet at the end of this round. Add a slip stitch to join. For round 6, make 2 chain and add 2 double crochet in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in next 4 stitches. Follow this step all around. Slip stitch to join. Now change the color from brown to green, and now we are moving from double crochet to half double crochet. Firstly, make chain 1, then 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat this step all around. Chain the color from green to yellow and make 8 chain like this. Skip 4 stitches on the previous round and slip stitch into the 5th stitch. Repeat this chain 8, skip 4 and slip stitch pattern all around. Now for making the petals, chain 2, then enter the loop and make 4 double crochet. Again add chain 2 and make a picot stitch like this. Then make 3 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Slip stitch at the end to close this petal. For the second petal, we can skip the 2 chain and directly start with 4 double crochet. Then chain 2, make a picot stitch and add 3 double crochet. And lastly 1 half double crochet. Now slip stitch to close the second petal. We'll follow the second petal pattern all around. Now just attach a touch button. If you want to see how to do it, you can check out the previous video of Evil Eye Specs holder. And ta-da, it's ready to use. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials.